These don't look very pretty. They're kind of hazed out, yellowed out. They're 14 years old.
I would actually say this works really well.
Welcome back to Modifications, and today's video, I'm gonna actually work on my new daily driver. So if you don't follow me on social media, you probably haven't seen this yet. This is my EX35 2011 that I just picked up for daily use. Yes, I have that, and I have the other daily driver right next to it, but this is going to be the car that I take out when there's chances of hail, there's traffic, there's rock chips. So basically it's my commuter car. In today's video, we're gonna focus on restoring this thing a little bit. And the number one thing in the front end that I get made fun of every time I post this is the headlights. These don't look very pretty. They're kind of hazed out, yellowed out. They're 14 years old, lots of damage over the years, UV and everything. So today we're going to use Rain-X Headlight Restoration. This kit does come with the drill attachments, with the sanding discs and polishing pad and the wipes. So we're gonna test this unit out. $23 with tax and everything. Pretty budget friendly option. So we're gonna do one headlight and we'll compare them. So let's get started. So this is everything you get in the kit, not the drill obviously, but you get these restoration wipes, the polish pad, the actual drill unit. Then you get some sanding pads as well, and then some gloves, which I already put on mine. And there's the package itself. And it does come with a list and some instructions as well. Okay, so first step, clean. And I'm just going to wipe this down with my Armor All multi-purpose cleaner. So this kit actually doesn't come with masking tape. So luckily I have painter's tape right here. I guess I could open the hood, but then I gotta go get the keys and I'm too lazy, so. And it does recommend a couple layers, so I'm just gonna do a really rough layer above what I just did. So the tape is on. Okay, apply multi-layers, attach the drill attachment. Center and attach the brown sanding disc. So I've got a couple brown and mist the lens and surface of the sanding with water, preferably from a spray bottle. Whoops, I gotta go get that. Mist the lens and wipe the surface clean. So now, and then remove the brown sanding disc and replace it with a gray sanding disc. Repeat steps 1 and 2 with the gray. So basically the same thing. Water bottle sucks. The gray, and replace it with the blue. Okay, so let's see. Remove the blue and replace it with the orange. Okay, Rain-X Premium Headlight Buff Polish. Squeeze the nickel-sized amount of the polish to the center of the orange foam. That's about a nickel. It might be a little bit more than a nickel, but it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna spread this around. Do this. Okay, let's wet. And you keep doing this until it hits the clarity that you are looking for. Okay, so it is much clearer. Repeat 3 times. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. I think you only get one wipe in here and you kind of have to do both at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys comparisons of where we are now compared to where we were. Here is the after. Here is the before. Quite a bit better, but not as good as I want it to be. So let's do the other side real quick. Okay, got it taped off. This time I opened the hood up. I'm just gonna clean this out real quick. Okay, so let's do the last step, which is this wipe. So this, I don't think you actually wipe off. I think you just rub it. All right, let's get all this tape off. It's been a little over an hour. And the headlights look good. I would actually say this works really well. Like I said, I could probably spend a little bit more time and make it a little bit cleaner and even better. But just right off the bat, this looks so much better than it did when I first started. It doesn't look as aged or anything like that. I might just end up doing the Miata ones next. They're not terrible, but they could definitely use a little bit. Thanks for watching. I did post a link from Amazon if you want to buy this on Amazon. Otherwise, you can go to Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly. They all have different ones. But that is my quick overview of this Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit, which definitely brought my car back to life a little bit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.